How to make the perfect Caffè Macchiato at home. Bonjour, coffee lovers. Today, I'm going to share with you the art of making the perfect Caffè Macchiato right in the comfort of your own home. So, grab your favorite mug, and let's get brewing. Now, a Caffè Macchiato, which means stained coffee in Italian, is a simple yet delightful espresso-based drink. It's essentially a shot of espresso, stained, with a dollop of frothy milk. Here's what you'll need. Ingredients. Freshly brewed espresso shot. Fresh, cold milk. Whole milk works best for a creamy texture. Sugar or sweetener, optional. Milk frother. Espresso machine. Instructions. Step 1. Start by brewing a shot of espresso using your espresso machine. Aim for a single shot, as the Caffè Macchiato is all about the balance between espresso and milk. Step 2. While the espresso is brewing, let's froth our milk. Pour a small amount of cold milk into the frothing pitcher. You don't need much, just enough for a dollop to stain the espresso. Step 3. Using your milk frother, froth the milk until it reaches a velvety consistency with fine bubbles. This step is crucial for achieving that creamy texture that complements the intense flavor of the espresso. Step 4. Once your espresso shot is ready, pour it into your favorite espresso cup or mug. Now, here comes the macchiato part. Spoon a dollop of frothed milk onto the surface of the espresso. The milk should stain the rich espresso, adding just a hint of creaminess. Step 5. If you prefer your Caffè Macchiato on the sweeter side, you can add a touch of sugar or your favorite sweetener. Just stir it gently to dissolve. And there you have it, the perfect Caffè Macchiato. Simple, elegant, and bursting with bold espresso flavor balanced by a creamy touch of frothed milk. It's the ideal pick-me-up for any time of the day. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more coffee-inspired content. Until next time, happy brewing! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.